welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we don't even gotta talk about it. We don't even gotta talk about it right now because we're here to celebrate. So my birthday passed the end of May. May 26th, Gemini gang. Yeah, and one of my birthday presents was, as you can tell, this beautiful baby right here. So I would do a video of me unboxing the camera and showing you guys what I got and what I bought to go with it. I've been using my iPhone camera for my previous videos, and you know, I had a camera before, but I literally never used it for my YouTube videos. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. This was purchased from Best Buy, and it's just the camera. Okay, so I did take the charger out because I did charge it. So this is the camera, the beautiful, right? So I did take the battery out so I could charge battery. This is the battery that it came with, and the charger is just like a black charger. You plug in the wall and you stick this into it and it charges. It's just like a wall charger. So you put the battery, open that up, and your girl is a little slow, obviously. Okay, there you go. Put it in. So it clicks, and then this part goes over it. And I got a memory card off of Amazon. The 128 gigabyte, and you put that in above the battery. I know how to put this one in. I have to. There, you click it in, click it out, click it in. So let's turn it on, guys. So this is it coming on. This is the screen, and the reason I wanted this, other than it being a great camera, is because of this right here. Yeah, this right here, literally. I am gonna do a side-by-side with this, but first, let me show you what else I got. And it goes, you know, I guess if you're sitting down and you're trying to,
what is that?
Whatever. But let me show you, so I'm not touching on the screen and stuff. I got from Amazon these glass screen protectors, because if you see my phone, you would know why I need them. So you have wipes, the screen protector, and these like little sticker things, dust, I guess it gets the dust and stuff on. But it comes with 3 of them, and it was like $7 or $8. I'll link it down and below. So we're gonna use the green is the wet white. And we're just gonna wipe it. This is a dry one, and I'm gonna wipe this off. So this is a screen protector, and you peel off this part, well, the sticky part, and then I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so there goes the screen protector on. So now we're gonna do the side-by-side as well. There's like all these settings. We're gonna have to read the manual and do some searching. My back's starting to hurt. Change zoom. So you can zoom in with this. You see how I zoom in. I'm gonna do a side-by-side, so what am I doing? So you can zoom in with this. Okay, yes. All right, anyways, so Let me get it off the camera. So this is it, and like all the videos I watched, like the audio is better than me being on the iPhone, and the picture's like more clear. And yeah, this is just it. This is natural light. It's daytime outside in the way. The artificial light isn't really gonna show, but I'm going to do videos at night too, and you'll be able to see that as well. So, and it's gonna be hard not to look at the screen up here because I keep wanting to look at the screen, but I have to look at the lens, and it's not really hard, but you know, you want to check yourself out, and it's just, it is what it is. But yeah, so that is that. Let me go ahead and stop it. And it also is, let's see, it also is freaking touchscreen. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Wi-Fi, just Wi-Fi. It's Bluetooth too. So you can transfer your images onto your phone or your computer or whatever, like via Bluetooth and through Wi-Fi. And the little flash thing. Boom, right there. You can freaking zoom in, but that picture is clear, but you can see my phone really clear. You can see my phone's cracked. This camera does time lapse. I was watching YouTube videos and stuff, so you can do time lapse on here. You can do like still shots to where it has different settings to where if you want to do a pan, it will like stabilize the image. I'm not no tech, but I'm just trying to. But anyway, so it'll be like not shaky, and you can do like different colors, modes, and yeah. See, this is Wi-Fi. The strap came with it too. I put the strap on it, but it is what it is. I'm probably end up taking it off. It has an HDMI, USB, not USB, yeah, USB. Okay, anyway, Bluetooth buttons on this side. What else? It has this right here, and that screws into tripods and stuff. And I bought this from Walmart, like a mini tripod, so that like if I decide to vlog or do something, I can screw it in to the bottom and hold it like this instead of having to hold the camera like this. And, it's just more comfortable. So, and if you have any other questions about anything I didn't talk about, just put it in the comments and I'll make a part 2 about it. Then I'll have used it and read some more stuff about it and learned some more stuff about it, so I can talk to you if you want to purchase this camera. All the links will be down below of the accessories and things I've bought. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.